Okay, so I'm at my aunt's house, and what do I see? This. The sneaky one himself. My own cat is freaking stealing food out the back. Buddy, what is your problem? Like, you already, what is your problem, Cookie? You have an eating problem. Cookie. Cookie. Damn you. Look at you. I saw you. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. I see you. You're ashamed. You're ashamed. Oh, he's saying that like he's cool. He's like, yeah, I'm doing nothing. Bro, we just saw you eating a bag of freaking cat food. Bro, you're not slick. I saw you, Cookie, I saw you. No joke, I saw you. Don't walk away. Cookie, get your butt. No, I can't let that slide. Can I let it slide? No, you can't let that slide. Yeah, I can let it slide. No, you can't. I can. You know, he is right, you know. Ho, ho, ho. No, that's demon. That's not true. No, Scoob, not that time yet. Oh. Well, as usual, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with my own life. I have a child. What should I do in life? It's hilarious. You know this is gonna be, not kid right? Cookie think he's slick. He just like Cookie, you're not slick. I can see you down the hallway, boy. I can see you. You're not slick. They'll be like, oh, I just get no. We saw you eating food, boy. Don't look away. That's illegal. Can't say it. Damn. I'll see you guys in the next video. It was hilarious when my cat started eating those cat food. Sneaky cat. Ho ho ho. Nope. We ended the video right here. Ho.